Hey guys, Street Stance Silver Garage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free. You can unsubscribe at any time, but please subscribe whether you like our enduro races or our hot challenges or my how-to videos.
That is on.
Or me just building this 1,000 horsepower Civic right here that I'm standing in the engine bay of. Remember, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be getting pepper sprayed and tased at the same time. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. And let's get on with today's video.
Alright guys, this is a tutorial how to hook up these halo switches. So that is on, that's off. So what you want to do here is, we'll pull this out so you guys can kind of see it is. This is a 5-pin switch. You can see all 5 pins there. You can kind of see what's wrote on them. The bottom pin here has a C. The center pin says NO, and the top pin says NC. This left pin here is your positive, and this is your negative. The positive over here is actually for the illumination to make it light up. The only thing you really, if you don't want to light it up, you don't have to do nothing but use these 2 prongs here. We do not use the NC. Don't know what that's for, but we don't use it. So you plug this thing in real quick here. So it's however you want to have this thing hooked up. I have mine hooked up so that the light is off when the switch is off, when there's no power. And when I flip that on, because my high beam switch actually broke, so I'm using my hazard switch right now for a demonstration. But as if the high beams were on, this is for high beams, so, or the hazards. If your hazards are on, this light will be on, indicating that they're on. So that way you can remember to turn them off. So how you hook this up, your NC wire is going to be the top yellow wire. I capped it off. We're not going to use it. So now if you want to have your switch on all the time, illuminated, even when you push the button, you can actually wire it that way too. It's very easy. I can show you how to do that. So the bottom wire, which is the C terminal, is your common. This will come from your power source. Have a fusible link in there going straight to the battery. And when you push the button, the power goes from this one to the blue wire. So what you do is the power wire from the outside, from the positive on the very edge here, that wasn't in the 3, you take that power wire and you add it, you just twist it together with the blue wire. It's the NO wire, the NO connection. Twist those together and run this down. Like I said, I got this running for headlights right now. This is going to control whatever you're wanting to turn on. So when you push this button, your illumination comes on because you've put your hot wire with whatever you're turning on. So that'll allow the switch to come on when you have power going to it. So that way you know you can turn it off. It's off. It's very, very simple. And if you want to do it the other way, you take your power wire here that's coming out of the switch, and you actually just put it with the power wire that's coming off the battery and the green wire. You twist them together. This will stay illuminated. It will stay illuminated like that the entire time, whether it's pushed in or not pushed in. It will stay on. So it's very easy to do this, guys. Please like, subscribe if this video helped you guys out learning how to put these switches in your car. So please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more uploads, and have a good day, guys.